Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is McKenna, and in today's video, I'll be showing you a tutorial on how I designed this pink and rose gold Shopify website. This website is great for boutique, beauty, hair, and many other business types. This website also looks perfect on desktop and mobile, and in today's video, I'll be using the softwares Shopify and Canva. If you're unfamiliar with Canva, you can set up a free account and create all kinds of graphics such as web banners and logos. So without further ado, let's get into this video. The first thing I'm going to do is open up Shopify, and you're going to go to Online Store and then Themes. When you scroll down, you'll see Shopify's website templates. I'm going to be installing the original Dawn theme, and this is going to be the base for our website. Once that's done installing, you're going to click Customize. When you click this icon, it will show you how the website is going to look in full screen. And when you click the phone icon, it will show you how it's going to look on mobile. First, I'm going to click on this header, and under Desktop Logo Position, I'm going to set this to Top Center. I'm going to click on the announcement bar, and I'm going to be displaying the social media icons. You're going to click on Theme Setting, then Social Media. Here, you can paste the links to your brand's social media accounts, and the clickable social media icons will display up here on the announcement bar and on the footer of your website. Then I'm going to be removing this announcement bar text, but you can leave this in if you would like. You're going to click on Logo, and here you can upload your brand's logo and favicon image. I'd recommend that your logo is in a transparent PNG format. Then under Desktop Logo Width, you can increase the size of the logo. Click on Colors, then Color Scheme 1, and I'm going to set this background to a light pink color. Then you're going to open up Color Scheme 2. I'm going to set this to that same light pink color. Then I'm going to apply a gradient background effect. For the color combination, I'm going to do a dark pink and a light pink color to create that rose gold effect. I'm going to change the solid button background to white and the solid button label to black. Then you're going to click on the announcement bar and apply Color Scheme 2. I'm going to click on Typography, and I'm going to be changing this main font to the font Sheriff. And I'm going to be changing the secondary font to Assistant Bold. When you scroll down and then scroll back up, you'll notice that the header will pop up. That is called a sticky header, and right here under sticky header, I'm going to be removing that effect. Once you're finished, that is how I did the header portion of the website. Next, I'll be showing you how I designed the slideshow section. So first, I'm going to click Add Section to Template, and I'm going to apply a slideshow. Then I'm going to scroll down and remove this image banner. I'm going to remove the heading and the subheading, and I'm going to remove the container. Under Desktop Content Position, I'm going to set this to Bottom Center. Then I'm going to apply Color Scheme 2. Next, you can title this button label and paste the link to a page or a product collection within your website. Then I'm going to repeat all of those steps for the second slide. I'm going to apply the outline button style, then click Add Block. And I'm going to repeat all of those steps for the third slide. Under Desktop Content Position, I'm going to set this to Bottom Right. Next, I'll be showing you how I designed these web banners. So I've just opened up Canva, and I'm going to click Custom Size, and the dimensions I'm going to be doing are 4320 by 2160 pixels. First, I'm going to set the background to a light shade of pink. When you click Upload File, you'll be able to upload the brand pictures that you're going to be adding straight from your computer. I'm going to be using Canva's background removal feature. This is a Canva Pro feature, so if you don't have Canva Pro, I'd recommend using a free background removal tool to remove the background of your pictures. I'm going to duplicate this and create a subtle, transparent version right behind it. Click Elements, and I'm going to upload a square shape. Then you're going to open up Frames and upload a square frame, and that will create a Polaroid effect. I'm going to group these together. Then I'm going to duplicate this. I'm going to duplicate this again, then duplicate it one last time. Then you can drag and drop your pictures onto those frames. Under Elements, I've searched for a rose gold background. I'm going to be uploading one of these on the screen. And by the way, if you don't have Canva Pro, just make sure to use their free element. Then you're going to click Text and upload a text box. I'm going to change this to the color white and apply the font Hamilton. I'm going to upload another text box. I'm going to put this in uppercase and apply the font Dream Avenue. You're going to click on Effects and apply the lift effect. I'm going to duplicate this text box and apply the font Beleza. You're going to click Add Page. I'm going to be copying and pasting that rose gold bar element. Then I'm going to insert another rose gold background. You're going to upload a square frame, and I'm going to duplicate this. Then you can drag and drop your pictures. You're going to add a text box, put this in uppercase, and I'm going to put this in bold. I'm going to duplicate this and create a smaller tagline text. I'm going to upload another text box, put this in uppercase, then apply the font Dream Avenue. Click Add Page. Once again, I'm going to be copying and pasting that rose gold image element. I'm also going to copy and paste this image box. I'm going to upload a text box and apply the font Hamilton. Then upload another text box and apply the font Dream Avenue. Then I'm going to upload one last text box, put this in uppercase, then bold. Once you're finished, these will be our 3 web banners for the slideshow. I'm going to download each of these individually in a PNG format for the best quality. Here on Shopify, you're going to click Select Image, then upload that main web banner. Under slide height, I'm going to set this to adapt to first image. Then under pagination style, I'm going to set this to dots. Once you're finished, that is how I designed the slideshow portion of the website. By the way, just to let you guys know, this Shopify theme template is available on my website. This is a fully done-for-you Shopify theme template that you can easily download and install into your Shopify store with just a few steps. If you're unfamiliar with Shopify template, it will come in a zip format, and here on your Shopify homepage, you can easily install this template into your store. This is very easy to edit, so all you'd have to do is add your pictures and change the text. This is a full template bundle, so it also includes all of the Canva templates that you'll see me putting together in this video. I've designed all of these Canva templates to be compatible with the free version of Canva, so all you'll need is a free Canva account to open, edit, and download the templates. The Shopify theme template is very easy to edit, and it also includes a step-by-step instruction guide on how to edit it. This Shopify template will save you a ton of time that will be linked in my description box. Also, in case you just don't have time to design your website, if you order this Shopify theme template along with my installation service, I will go into your Shopify account and install this theme and customize it for you. That will be linked in my description box as well. Next, I'll be showing you how I added the collection list. So here, I'm just going to be adding a collection list. I'm going to increase the number of columns to 4. Under heading, you can retitle this section. And make sure to enable the View All button if you have more than 4 collections. Then, when you click Select Collection, it will allow you to choose each collection you'd like to display. Also, in case you're unfamiliar with collections on Shopify, they are just collections of products that you've chosen to put together to keep your shop organized. Once you're done, that is how I added the collection list. Next, I'm going to show you how I designed the About Us section. So here, I'm just going to add an image banner. I'm going to remove the container on desktop and the container on mobile. Then I'm going to remove the second button label. Next, you can title this button label and paste a link to a page or a product collection within your website. I'm going to set this to color scheme 4. Then you can insert your About Us description. Here on Canva, I'm going to open up that same web banner page and click Add Page. Under Elements, I'm going to upload an image grid. I've searched for a faded element and I'm going to upload one of these. Then I'm going to duplicate this, and this will just create a shadow effect. Then you can drag and drop a picture. I've searched for a faded circle effect and I'm going to upload one of these onto the screen. I'm going to lower the transparency, then duplicate this. Then I'm going to upload a text box, apply the font Authentic. And I'm going to upload another text box, and I'm going to apply the font Alta. Then I'm going to duplicate both of these and apply them on the right side of the page. Then you're going to download this page. Back here on Shopify, I'm going to click Select Image. Then you're going to upload that web banner design. Under banner height, I'm going to set this to adapt to first image. Then under image behavior, I'm going to apply a fixed background position. Then I'm going to click Add Section, and I'm going to add a rich text. Then I'm going to remove the text and the button label. I'm going to reduce the bottom padding, and I'm going to apply color scheme 2. Then I'm going to apply another rich text, and I'm going to repeat all of those steps. Once you're finished, that is how I designed the About Us section. Next, I'll be showing you how I designed the Shop Qualities section. So here I'm going to be adding a multi-column. I'm going to remove this heading and remove the button label. I'm going to remove the secondary background and set the column alignment to center. When you click on a column, under heading, you can type in a quality that your shop has to offer. For an example, you can put fast shipping or quality materials. And under description, you can put a mini description to match. Here on Canva, I'm going to click Add Page. I've searched for a rose gold circle, and I'm going to be uploading one of these icons. Under shapes, I'm going to upload a circle shape. I'm also going to apply a subtle faded circle effect. Then you're going to upload an icon that matches your shop qualities. I'm going to duplicate this page, then duplicate this page again. Once you're finished, these will be our icons. You're going to download each of these pages, then you can upload each of those to the columns on Shopify. Under image width, I'm going to set this to half width of column. Once you're done, that is how I designed the Shop Qualities section. Next, I'm going to show you how I added the featured collection. So here, I'm just going to upload a featured product collection. Under heading, you can retitle this section. Then when you click select collection, you can choose which collection you'd like to feature. For an example, most people feature their best-selling collection. That is how I added the featured collection. Also, if you are a beginner to Shopify and you're still unfamiliar with how to add your products, how to set up your Shopify payment, reading your analytics page, and more, my Shopify Basics guide is now available. This is a detailed beginner's guide for Shopify. It includes everything you'll need to know to get your Shopify store ready for launch. In the guide, I've included a collection of written examples, video tutorials, and live examples. That way you understand each section. That will be linked in my description box, and make sure to use my code Beverly20 for 20% off your order. Next, I'm going to show you how I added the customer review section. So here, I'm just going to add a multi-column. I'm going to remove this button label and retitle the heading. Then you're going to increase the number of columns to 4. And I'm going to set the column alignment to center. When you click on a column, under heading, I'm going to be pasting the star emojis to represent the customer's rating. Then under description is where you can paste in their review. I'd recommend putting the reviewer's name. I'll be using this text as an example, but you can also paste a link to the product they left their review on. Once you're done, that's how I designed the customer review section. Next, I'm going to show you how I designed that second web banner. So here, I'm just going to add an image banner. I'm going to remove the second button label. Then you can go ahead and title this button label and paste the link, and you can retitle this section. And I'm also going to apply the outline button style. Here on Canva, you're going to open up that same page and click Add Page. I'm going to scroll up, and I'm going to be copying and pasting this image box. Then I'm going to duplicate this. Next, you can drag and drop your brand pictures. I'm going to upload a text box, change this to the color white, then apply the font Authentic. Click Effects, and I'm going to apply the Lift effect. I'm going to duplicate this text box. Then you can download this page. Here on Shopify, you're going to click Select Image. Then you can upload that web banner. Under banner height, I'm going to set this to Adapt to First Image. Once you're done, that is how I designed the second web banner. Next, I'm going to show you how I added the email signup and the blog post section. So here, I'm just going to add an email signup. I'm going to retitle this section. Then I'm going to add a multi-row section. As you can see, there are 3 rows, and I'm going to be removing this 3rd row, but you can leave that in if you would like. So this will be where you would display 2 blog posts. Under heading, I'm going to be typing in the blog post title. And you can put a mini description of the blog post. Then you can retitle the button label and paste the link straight to that blog post. Then you can upload a picture to represent the cover for the blog post. I'm going to set the email sign up to color scheme 3. Then I'm going to open up color scheme 3 and change the background to a slightly darker shade of pink. And I'm going to set the text to black. Once you're finished, that's how I added the email sign up in the blog post section. Next, I'm going to show you how I designed the Instagram post section. So here, I'm just going to add an image banner. And I'm going to be removing all of the text and the button labels. Then I'm going to add a rich text section. And I'm going to be removing the text. Then you can title this button label and paste the link straight to your Instagram. Here on Canva, I'm going to click Add Page. I'm going to upload a text box and apply the font Hamilton. Then I'm going to upload another text box, put this in uppercase, and apply the font Dream Avenue. I'm going to duplicate this text box and create a smaller version right below it. I've searched for an Instagram icon, and I'm going to be uploading one of these. Then I'm going to lower the opacity. I'm going to scroll up, and again, I'm going to be copying and pasting this image box. I'm going to duplicate this, position this to the back, and I'm going to be designing this in a stair-step pattern. Then you can upload the Instagram posts that you're going to be featuring and drag and drop them onto the frame. I'm going to upload another text box. You're going to apply the font Noto Sheriff and put this in italic. And here you can put your Instagram username. I'm going to download this page, and you're going to upload that here on Shopify. Under banner height, I'm going to set this to Adapt to First Image. Once you're done, that's how I designed the Instagram post section. Alright, and here's the finished website. And as I mentioned, this Shopify template is available on my shop. This is a fully done-for-you Shopify theme template, and if you're unfamiliar with Shopify templates, it will come in a zip format, and you can easily install that into your Shopify account with just a few clicks. There is a step-by-step instruction guide included in case you need help editing, and this is a full template bundle, so it also includes all of the Canva templates that you'll see me putting together in this video. I've designed these Canva templates to be compatible with the free version of Canva, so all you'll need is a free Canva account to open them. That will be linked in my description box. And if you're a beginner to Shopify, don't forget to get my Shopify Basics Guide. This is a detailed beginner's guide that breaks down everything you'll need to know from setting up your Shopify account to launching your store. In the guide, I've included a collection of video tutorials, written explainers, and live examples, that way you can understand each section. That will be linked in my description box as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you're interested in another style of Shopify website, check out this video here on my channel.